Eat vegetables. This is not vegetables. Eat vegetables. Probably each of us had this kind of mother, grandmother, aunt or kindergarten teacher. But neither children nor men like vegetables.
Not a fan.
Today I will show you 3 salads that I have personally tested on men. They tried to eat everything. They didn't want to leave anything for me even. And these are one of the most popular salads in Ukraine. Well, at least in our family. What to do with radish, men usually think. I'll show you. And at the same time, I will say to you that radish is included in top 10 the most healthy vegetables. Here is the proof. This salad will seem primitive to you, but everything ingenious is simple. Add unrefined sunflower oil. I would be very grateful for your like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.
Cook like Ukrainians.
What to do with the cabbage? Of course, cook Ukrainian borscht. But if you suddenly want to eat it raw, here is the recipe of very simple and delicious salad. Add a bit of sugar, salt and pepper. Sugar is important. Mix the salad with your hands, squeezing it thoroughly. You need the vegetables to release the juice. Please subscribe as thank you for my work. It's very important to me. Thank you. The third salad is also elementary, but at the same time very satisfying. I was taught how to cook it on a mountain climbing trip. It was winter. We had a long climb in the snow. And then my friend cooked the salad and treated everyone to this. Add 1 can of canned peas and 1 can of canned corn. Nutritious and delicious. One of my favorites despite the seeming oddity. Can you imagine? I even cooked this salad for New Year party. That's how I like the salad. By the way, I'm drinking masala tea now. Some special recipe of Indian tea. I will tell you about this in some of the next videos where I will tell you about my favorite drinks. Subscribe to my channel and wait for my new videos. I need an inspiration to continue my work. Please just like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. It was Cook Like Ukrainians and Paulina from Ukraine. Enjoy your day, like me now.
Стоп, стоп, аккуратно. Ладно, стоп.